It's a common human tendency to regret for the things or the opportunities we missed in our lives, isn't it? This is Vijay. You're watching a video from the Man of Means Club for those who listen. Through this video, I would like to convey two incidents that has happened in my life and how I missed the opportunities in front of my eyes. And I recognize them years later and now regret for the slipping opportunities. First of all, if you are new here, please do subscribe to the Man of Means Club. And don't forget to share with your friends. The first incident, it was in the year of 2009. I was in my first year graduation. It was in the lab of English Communication Skills Lab, where on that day I was supposed to talk on a topic for a couple of minutes, as everyone in my class do. For that reason, it's my turn to speak on, and I started saying like, our ancestors used to convey the message through boards or by sending a person from one place to another. That's fine. After the invention of printing machine or paper, letters have been circulated among from one place to another, like the postal service. That's fine. After that, telephones have been invented, and the telephone line has been started. We can communicate with other people on other place through a wired wired phone, not a mobile phone. After that, the sophistication of the technology reduced the size of the telephone. Mobile phones without antenna, without wire, have been invented. That's fine. People are using wireless mobile phone and enjoying the benefits of that. Years later, the technology captured the camera, radio, calculator, and everything into the small mobile phone. And now we call it a smartphone. Now we are in Android era. That's fine. Later, I conveyed one small joke. That's as simple as it is. I felt that in future, human being is going to insert a chip in his head and is speaking to him. For the outsiders, it may appear as a mad person, but he is communicating to the other person. That's fantastic. That's worked out well. Everyone laughed and applauded me at the end. That's fine. But what's the purpose of communicating this message to you? Let me tell you. Because on the day I have communicated about technology, how the technology is going to change in future. It's my assumption, that's it. But now you can find Google Pods, Apple iPods, you can insert in your ear and you can communicate very easily without any much discomfort. Isn't it? The reducer size and the capacity of the ear pod is very high. If I made a career in the technologically oriented path, I might have a man of means. If you consider people like Sundar Pichai, Satya Nadella, Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, whoever you name it, they all chosen technology and they invested their money and time in technology. That's how they have become billionaires or millionaires. You and me, where we are investing our time and money. That's the first opportunity which I recognized years later. In 2020, I found it what mistake I made. It's a big mistake for my career. That's fine. Second one, it was in the year of 2013. One of my uncles offered me a job in a CCTV company. On that day, I rejected smoothly by saying I am not interested to work in CCTVs. I am interested to work on my core sector. That's fine. He didn't say anything. But years later, now I recognize the mistake I have done. In the year of 2013, you hardly find CCTVs. But now, you are everywhere, wherever you go, you are under electronic surveillance. Which means the CCTVs have become a part of your life. From the traffic jams to the personal homes. That's how it was incorporated into the society. How it was spread into the society. If I listen to my uncle and I start my career in the CCTV in the year of 2013, I might have an organization in my hand. I might take contracts to sales and service or any other things. I might have done a number of things with that. But today I recognize the value of another opportunity which I lost. These are the two incidents which I considered myself and I felt regret for slipping out of my hands. If you have went through such kind of incidents, never ever ignore those. Later you might be. The message which I would like to convey through this video is focus on everything. Focus on the things around you which come into a picture. It may be a small thing, but it can make you rich. The minute things which you ignore will become the major things in your career. Don't miss an opportunity. Slip out of your hands. And if you like this video and if you find this video is useful, please do subscribe to the Man of Minds Club and don't forget to share with your friends. Or ever had you felt such incidents or regrets you made? Just comment below.